Good afternoon, everybody. I am back for another DIY. As promised, I'm going to be doing the little mini dinosaurs. I mixed my epoxy. I ran out of the craft resin, so I just picked up something at Michael's. It's Aluminite, amazing clear cast epoxy. I have used it before. That's what I actually started out with. I've already mixed it for about 10 minutes because it was very thick and my room is kind of cold. And I put it in the bubble machine for, I think it was 8 minutes. We're going to put in some chameleon powders. So today I'm going to be using mint. I thought about teal because teal looked really pretty. Or, let's see, this is golden. I think we're going to use mint because it'd be closer to what dinosaurs actually look like. This I think would be pretty. I might implement that next time. But today, for the sake of time, since I've already got it out, there's my powders. I'm going to use the chameleon. So I don't have much left because I did use this on my dragon. My first dragon. You can see that video in my YouTube channel. So I'm going to mix kind of a lot in here. I have no idea how much it's going to take, so I just filled 2 of these little 5-ounce cups. They're both 5 ounce, so that'd be 10 ounces. So I filled them, and then I put them in one of these big, I think this is a 16-ounce cup. So let's go ahead and mix. It says I only have a 30 to 40 minute working time, and I had mixed it for quite a long time, about 10 minutes. I believe, with my resin mixer. So let's go ahead and stir this up. Ooh, so pretty. So I hope everybody's doing well. As for me, I have a doctor's appointment because I fell in my bathroom going on about 5 weeks ago. And my knee still hurts, unfortunately. They said nothing was broken, but it still hurts to walk. So hopefully they'll get it figured out. Hopefully I don't need surgery, but I think it's more looking like it. So still a little translucent. You know, I could implement 2 colors. How about that? Let's try that. Let's do what I wanted to do and put the teal in there. I'm just going to put a little bit of teal. I don't think I opened this. Oh, I did. This will be kind of a blue-green. Let's see what that's going to look like. Ooh, I like that color. So it is starting to get warm, so I need to go ahead and get this stirred up. But the warmer it gets, the less bubbles it shows. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. That is actually really pretty. It actually makes it more metallic-y than just using the mint on its own. So I'm going to flip these little guys over. And now this appears to have very small openings on these. So I may transfer it into another cup, which I think I better do. So I've got these that I can actually squeeze and pour them in that way. So let's do that. Oh, pretty. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. I'm probably going to have way too much. And I could have painted the mica powder inside of it. I could have done that, but it's very, very narrow. These aren't as big as I thought they were going to be, unfortunately. I was hoping they'd be a little bit bigger. As I mentioned on my last video, my great-grandson loves dinosaurs, so that's why I got these molds. These are tiny. My resin's getting hot already. And you always want to squeeze your molds to get the air pockets out and the bubbles, if you can. What I think I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to pour it on the whole thing and just scrape it off. I've done that before. I usually have to sand anyways. I'm not really trying to make a mess, but I think it's going to happen anyway. So I've got these cool little bamboos skewers that have a flat edge for stirring, and you can also do this. So I can kind of go like this. Just kind of straighten everything out. Fill everything in. This tail is thin. Oh my goodness. So like this one I filled. I'm just going to make a straight sweep through here. I normally wouldn't do something like this, but I can tell this is going to be really hard to get in these crevices, like the tail and the feet. This ain't even getting inside the little, yeah, I'm not sure about these molds now, guys, girls. Well, we're gonna see. If it's supposed to be in there, I'm not sure. These are definitely tiny. I'm going to pour some of this, go ahead and pour some of this out before I waste it into these bare molds. Definitely mixed way too much. And I like to fill my bears all the way up because sometimes I use them as necklaces. So I need something else. So let's see, I got these guitar pick holders. I'm just going to go ahead and pour in there. These sell really well, actually. And I cannot find these molds anymore. I only have 2 left. I had 4, and 2 of them broke. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, honestly. Probably not. Let me move you back here. There we go. So these are guitar pick holders. If you go back and look at my video, you can see them probably on my tables. And I do usually sell these really well. It's something that people don't really see a lot of. And then I will fill these and I will make guitar pick or guitar keychains. I don't have enough to fill one of those right now, I don't think. So I'm about out, so way too much left. You know what I think I should have used? I don't have any, but one of those things where you squeeze the resin into. Actually, you know what? I did have one. Oh my goodness. So I should have used that, which I don't normally do. I don't even know why I bought them, but I could have used one of these. Oops. And pulled it and then pushed it in. It's like a syringe without the needle. I think you can buy needles for them too. But I should have used that. So that will be a next time I make these, if these even turn out, because I'm not sure how I feel about them. They are very, very narrow here. They might turn out. We'll see. I think I got them filled all the way. I just hope they don't shrink too much where they're going to be really sharp, because I don't want them to hurt anybody, of course, obviously. But, you know, there is sanding you can do. So I'm going to leave it at that. And I'm going to spray a little bit of alcohol on there to get rid of the bubbles. And then I will, after that, after camera, I will probably take a Q-tip and go around here so it doesn't get, the resin get hard on things that, attaches to places it shouldn't be. All right. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. All right, everybody, we are back for the demolding of the dinosaurs. So let's go ahead and get started because I have lots to do today. So here we go. I don't know how this is going to work because these are very, very intricate here. The little feet to where its head's at. Oh boy. Let's see. I've never done these before, remember. I'm scared I'm going to break it. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. And this has been over 24 hours. I couldn't do it when I wanted to do it the other day, so today we are here. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I know I could probably paint his little eye there. Now, I do have some areas I'm going to have to use a deburring tool for his fingers. So let's try the other ones. It's a little bit smaller than I wanted. Ooh, that's got a very sharp point right there. So I don't think I filled in his tail all the way on this one. And I don't know which dinosaurs these are, the names of them. If they're so similar or different. They look like they might be different because this one's got scales. And he's got something on his head that's got like a scale. Very, very sharp. So I don't know if I would use this for a kid's toy. So it might just be something I might put in a box so he can look at it and not play with it. All right. That's 2 out of 6. Yeah, these look like they're a little bit difficult to get filled all the way. So I think my suggestion that I said on the other video and get some kind of like syringe to go with the little, I'll get a needle to go with that little syringe. Yes, he's definitely different too. So I'm not liking how their feet look kind of webbed. Oh, I just fixed it. All right. They're definitely tiny. So that's 3. I guess they're not too terribly bad to demold. It's just they are very sharp in their corners. Now this guy looks like he's a little bit easier. That one was much easier. Oh my goodness. I forgot what these are. Look at this has a lot. I don't know what the name of this one is. So definitely got some pieces here I need to clean up. But the colors turned out actually amazing with the 2 colors blended together. I think it was, what is it? Was it mint and teal chameleon powders? Look at that. I'll take a good picture of them and put it in the end of this video. They're actually really cute, honestly. You know, you could almost implement this into another resin piece, because I have done that before, where I've made something like my little fishes and put them in the fish bag. So you can make a resin piece like these dinosaurs and put them in something, maybe in one of my pyramids. Now this one turned out pretty good, actually. He looks really good. Now he's only got like 2 little fingers, and that looks like that's how he's made. So some of them have like 3 little fingers. These are so cute. So I will take a picture when we're done. Definitely cute. I'm gonna go ahead and demold these little bears. Remember I had extra resin, so I'm gonna go ahead and demold them. Oh wow, they're pretty, and I don't even have to deburr anything. They could fit right on your neck and not scratch you. I overfilled them a little bit, which helps. Or I can make pocket hugs out of them. So I got 6 of these. So that's what you can do with your extra resin. Beautiful colors. I kind of like that. A little shimmery. So remember, that's chameleon powders. All right, and my guitar pick holder. That's a little bonus for you. But this is actually what it looks like. And I have something to make guitar picks. And just put them in there like that. And that's where they go. They always work very well. Usually don't have no trouble getting them to go together. Now sometimes when you get resin molds and you have 2 parts, sometimes they don't go together and you have issues with that. I've had issues with that with, like, I had a heart with a base and it was so wobbly it didn't work at all. So I had to like glue it together, which I shouldn't have to do. But yeah. But this turned out pretty. So I got another one for the shop. So thank you for watching. And I will see you next time. And I hope you have a wonderful day.